Hello and welcome to S Computer Education. Today we will discuss how to move and resize a window. Here this arrow symbol we can say it as mouse pointer. If you click on this left mouse button, then we can say it as click or left click. Now we discuss a concept called drag and drop. Drag nothing but if you press the left mouse button and if you are moving the mouse, then we can say it as drag. Drop nothing but if you leave the left mouse button, then we can say it as drop. Again see here, if you click and hold the left mouse button, then we can say click and hold the left mouse button, and if you are moving the mouse, then we can say it as drag. Drop nothing but if you leave the left mouse button, then we can say it as drop. So on the desktop all these are the icons. Now to open the window, simply place the mouse pointer on any desktop icon. Here I am placing the mouse pointer on Sampath icon, double click on it. Now you are able to see the window. What is the window name? Means Sampath. Now we are able to see this restore on button, means the window is in maximize mode. Now if you are able to see this maximize button, means window is in restored on mode. Currently the window is in restored on mode. If you want to move this window to the right side of this desktop, for that place the mouse pointer on this window title bar. Now simply place the mouse pointer on window title bar and drag and drop to the right side. So see here again, currently the window is in restored on mode. Place the mouse pointer on window title bar, click and hold with the left mouse button. In which direction you want to move this window, to the direction move your mouse. Then leave the left mouse button. Nothing but simply to move the window, place the mouse pointer on title bar, drag and drop. The window is in restored on mode. If you want to resize the window, resize nothing but increasing and decreasing the window size. For that here we have 4 borders for this window. Place the mouse pointer on any window border. Here this arrow looks like single arrow. If you place the mouse pointer on any window border, it will turns into double headed arrow. Now simply drag and drop. The size of the window is gets increased. If you want to decrease it, same thing, place the mouse pointer on window border, simply drag and drop. So place mouse pointer on any window border, then simply drag and drop to resize the window. If you want to resize the window equally, place the mouse pointer on window corner, then simply drag and drop. It will be resized equally. You can place the mouse pointer on any window corner, simply drag and drop to resize it equally. So this is how we move and resize the window. Thank you all for watching this video. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to S Computer Education channel.